guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks to Anthony Kent for actually suggesting that I do a video on making my new hammer. Unfortunately, the last one, as you saw, died when forging the Basilard. It's now broken and in pieces. Thank you, Nathan. Here it is. It actually still works as a hammer, but it won't be quite as wieldy or as good looking as this one. So, spend a little bit more time on this one. I don't tend to finish my hard-working tools like this to a high quality, mainly because I know I'm going to break this. It's designed to be used, abused, and then thrown away. But I'm really happy with how it came out. Feels pretty good in the hand. I'm looking forward to bending some twists and stuff like that with this hammer in the future. Anyway guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe, it does help. And if you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon to get notified of when I upload new videos. I will be uploading every Wednesday, and I'm hoping to upload every Saturday as well. If you could leave a like, that would also be really good. I really appreciate it. And anyone who's commenting, thank you so much. I love seeing everyone engage, and you know, the community is just growing so fast that I can't keep up with how many people I've got watching me. So I'm just blown away. And yeah, I will respond to any comments you guys leave, any suggestions you have. Obviously, I do listen, so make sure you leave those comments down below, alright? And I'll see you in the next video.